Don't attack me. Attack the carpet or my bed. Don't attack me. Attack the bed. Ooh. Snap. Shut up. You little wimp. Yeah. Don't even think about it. I'll smack you in the face. Seriously, I'll smack you in the face if you attack me. Can you do something for me? Oh snap, would you stop?